Hello everybody. Today my topic is the best virtual data room software in 2023. Best virtual data room software in 2023 in the here is this. And today I'm introduce to each other and the top best virtual data room. And in the number one is Ansara Data. Ansara Data is the one of the top class virtual data room software in 2020. And the second Idols virtual data room. Idols virtual data room users is very good. They are supporting system, and their supporting system they are encoding in 24 hours is good. And their pricing system is very good. Ansara Data and Idols Ansara Data and Idle Sansara data is one of the most everyone, and this is one of the most builds of the virtual data room software BDRS. BDRS means virtual data room software. And Ansara data is one of the greatest and fittest way of this nice way. And Ansara data and the Idols and the Super Hub. Super Hub is one of the top class virtual data room software in 2023. And recently upgrowing virtual data room software it is the virtual data room in the Ansara data. Ansara data is on all of the greatest and fittest. And Ansara data is one of the top class virtual data room software in 2023. And viewers, I'm always making virtual data room software related videos. Viewers, in the fourth virtual data room software in the use and the location of the various countries of this is. And there is one of the major cases of virtual data room software in here. And there are the top class virtual data room software in Ansara data, Super Hub, and Extracta. And there is one of the top class virtual data room. And here this nice way of this virtual data room software. Virtual data room software is the Answer data is a nice thing way of this guy. And today ending my video. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share my video here. Thank you. Goodbye.